Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fall edition of what I eat in a day. So if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button down below. I'm gonna hop into the video. I need some coffee. I need some breakfast. I have taken it really slow today and I'm starving. So we're gonna get it going. It's like almost 10 o'clock in the morning already and I'm really hungry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make these apple pie oats from the Tone It Up app. I use this app all the time for recipes, for working out, for all that good stuff. So what this is gonna call for, I don't have lemons, so that's the only thing that I'm a little concerned about, but it's fine, we're gonna make it work. You need oats, almond milk, apple, lemon, we're not doing lemon, cinnamon and vanilla protein and some maple syrup. So we're gonna do 1 cup of milk and you boil it and then add oats. So this is my final product. We have the oats, we have my coffee. So we're working with these 2 things. I'm gonna try this real quick. Let's see how this is. All right, taste test. This is probably gonna be really hot, but yep, it's steaming. That's delicious. Okay, I was a little concerned because there's not that much oats in it. And half of it's just an apple. But cinnamon, vanilla protein, the maple syrup, all of it, the apples, the crunchiness, delicious. I'm gonna eat this and then I'll check in with you guys. I'm gonna make my dinner started because it's in a crock pot. We're gonna make carne asada. So stay tuned for that. All right, so for dinner tonight, I am making carne asada tacos. This is a recipe out of the Super Simple Half-Baked Harvest cookbook. I got this at Marshall's a while ago. We've made this before and it's so good. Are you kidding? Like, look at that. It's gonna be amazing. So what you need is you need olive oil, flank steak, garlic, onion, smoked paprika, chili powder, salt, pepper, orange, limes, cilantro, and then tortilla shells. So I'm gonna use my Instant Pot. So for the slow cooker speed or setting. And I'm prepping this because it's supposed to cook for like 6 hours and I don't wanna eat super late tonight. So I'm starting it now, it is 11 a.m. So that should be perfect timing for dinner around like 6:30ish. I'm really not trying to eat late tonight. We've been eating late recently and I really don't want to. So I need to grab all of my ingredients. So what we need to do is put this bad boy into the slow cooker. This is a flank steak. I bought this at Trader Joe's. It is 1.16 pounds. So I think I'm just going to speed up this process. And yeah, so time lapse is gonna start right about now. So we got all the seasonings, the not lemons, the limes and the oranges in here. So now we just let it simmer. The acidity from the citrus should make this flank steak like perfectly pull apart, and ooh, it's gonna be so good. So popping that lid on, slow cook, 6 hours, and we're good. All right, guys, it's lunchtime. I almost tried to look at my watch. Usually I have my Apple Watch on, but for some reason today I don't have it on. I just edited a new video for the past 2 hours, and I am so hungry. It is 1:08 p.m. and it's time to eat. So what I'm actually gonna have is some leftovers. Last night I made ranch chicken in the Instapot, and I'm like really excited to have it for lunch. So I'm gonna warm up my rice and my ranch chicken. This is just chicken, sour cream, cream cheese, ranch dressing, like seasoning, and some peas. It's not the greatest for you, okay? But it tastes amazing. So I'm gonna have some of this, then I gotta go run some errands, let this food settle, get a workout in, all that good stuff. So I just stopped by Target. What else is new? I love that place. And I picked myself up a Starbucks. So this is the pumpkin cream cold brew that I got before. The last time I kind of did like a Starbucks review, I was feeling like I needed a pick-me-up. Very tired today for some reason, not sure why, and I need to work out. So this is gonna be my little pick-me-up before I work out. Very fall, very yummy. I love it. So hopefully this gives me some energy. All right, guys, I just finished my workout. I'm using the Alive app by Whitney Simmons. So I like to go between that and the Tone It Up app and my Peloton. So it's a little bit of everything. I have the windows open if you're wondering what the noise is. So I'm gonna make myself a really fast protein shake. I'm just using some oat milk today. Water, and then I'm going to use my chocolate Tone It Up protein and the Vital Proteins collagen. I'm gonna mix this up and have a quick little protein shake before I get in the shower. That coffee definitely gave me a little bit of boost. I didn't finish it all because if I finished it all, I'd be awake until like 1 a.m. So I didn't have that all. So I'm gonna have this, get in the shower, and chill. My carne asada is ready. I will show you guys dinner very shortly. All right, you guys, it is currently 6:54 and it is dinner time. We ended up going for a walk after I worked out. So it's a little bit later than I expected, but that's okay. I showered, I'm in my comfy clothes. It is cold here. The carne asada needs to come out and needs to rest for about 15 minutes, which is perfect because I'm going to make these blue corn taco shells in the oven. I'm sorry, I'm making the guacamole. Look at how good this avocado is. Are you kidding? So this is what we're looking at. Taco shells are ready. We have the shredded meat back into the Instapot. Put some cilantro in there, which is great. We have our guacamole ready to go. The secret ingredient in this is red wine vinegar. Shout out to Kathleen. I know she's watching this. One of my best friends makes the best guacamole. So I took that tip from her. So yeah, we are going to eat these tacos, snuggle up, watch some Survivor. It's Wednesday. New episode of Survivor's on, and we're all about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of fall, what I eat in a day. Please make sure you're hitting the subscribe buttons down below and making sure you're hitting those notification bells so you're notified every single time I upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.